Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Abstract. This project based on minimum cost storage services across multiple cloud providers. It gives minimum cost storage for users. Many cloud service providers (CSPs) provide data storage services with data centers distributed worldwide. These data centers provide different gate put lattices and unit prices for resource utilization and reservation. Here we are facing two challenges. One is how to allocate data to worldwide data centers to satisfy application service level objective (SLO) requirements, including both data retrieval, latency, and availability. Second one is how to allocate data and reserve resources in data centers belonging to different CSPs to minimize the payment cost. To handle these challenges, we first model the cost minimization problem and the SLO constraints using the integer programming. Then we do the file storage in a cloud. Then classification process will be performed. The classification is based on cost based. It is for multiple cloud service provider based on file storage. The user will pay the cost. This is the flow of this project. It has two login pages, admin login page and user login. When it goes to the user login, if it is a new user, it goes to the registration page. After registration, the user will be authenticated. Then is file upload. It is file uploading process, that is which file the user want to store into cloud. While file uploading, the user has to give key value. The value used for user authentication. After uploading of a file, the user successful message will be displayed. Then encryption. When the file is uploaded, it will be encrypted. For the security, the encryption process is performed. After encryption, it will be stored into a cloud. Then view user details. It will display the overall cloud users. Then cost calculation. Cost calculation is based on the size. Based on the user file allocation size, the cost is calculated. Then cloud allocate. Here we are performing multi-cloud service provider. Based on the cost, the cloud allocation is performed. Cloud allocation will be performed on the classification. The classified value will be stored in different cloud services. That will be multi-cloud server. Then final, that is a report. Based on the user size and the report, it will be pasted. Now I am going to run this project. This is the home page for this project. Minimum cost cloud storage service across multiple cloud providers. It is the title for this project. In this page, it has two login pages, admin login and user login. When I click login page, it will go to the user login page, give any sample value. It will not be authenticated. For that, we have to register sample. C sample is the cloud username. Select your size, the nation, state, then submit. It will be displayed the ID value. Click OK to get your ID. Click OK. Then give your username, then password. Then click login. Login successful. It will display the user function, that is file uploading function. Click to choose file. Select your file. The file will be displayed here. Click upload. You have to give your ID value. If I give any sample value, it will not be authenticated. So click upload. Give your ID. Click OK. File uploaded successfully. It is the process of user. Then I'm going for the admin login. Give admin username password. Click submit. Login successful. Here admin can view the user details. Click view user details. Select the cost. Based on the cost selection, admin can view the details. Then next, it is a user count. It will display the overall cloud users. Click user. It will display the overall count. Then next, it is a cost calculation. Cost calculation is based on the size. Based on the user file allocation size, the cost is calculated. Click calculate. View. It is a calculated cost. Then next, cloud allocation. Here we are performing multi-cloud service provider. Based on the cost, the cloud allocation is performed. The cloud allocation will be performed on classification. The classified value will be stored in a different cloud server, that is multi-cloud servers. Here are the 4 cloud servers. Server 1, it will display the server 1 value. Then server 2, it will display like that. Then next, it is the graphical representation of cloud servers. It is based on the cloud user and cloud storage cost. It will display based on the size. Thank you.